Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, another saga. Seems to be all that's happening these days, doesn't it? Thank you everybody for your continued support. If you're a new viewer, please click like and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel. I've had some new subscribers. Thanks for getting on board, guys. As you've seen by the thumbnail, we've got a good one lined up for you today, so we'll go through the stuff. The soap. Here you go. That's it there. Castle Forbes, made in Scotland, lavender shaving cream. This was a gift to me from Stuart George. He gifted me this and gifted me the matching balm. Thank you, Stuart. He'd used them both just once, I think, and then I don't know if he was not keen on it, but he sent them up to me as a gift. So thank you, Stuart. So that's the aftershave balm, the shaving soap. There's some gummies, lavender. I put it in a, look, guess the bottle. Guess the bottle, Aqua Velvet bottle, stuck the label on there. So that's the aftershave, the balm. The soap, it's here, look, I've got it in the official John Shaves 101 Giles shaving bowl. There you go. I put a good amount in it. It was softer than I thought and I scooped a bit more. So we'll put that in there. The brush, look at this, guys. Beautiful. PAA 26mm Star Wisp. How soft, look how soft it's like Blofeld stroking that big white cat in James Bond, isn't it? There you go, and we're going to put that in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. There you go, the John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. They fitted the sink yesterday so I can do the shave in the bathroom. Okay, here we go. The razor of choice today. I think it's now officially my number one non-adjustable razor. I think this is going to be my number one razor of all time, guys. Here it is, the Blackland Dart. I love, absolutely love this. This is just the weight. It's steel. It's just the carving, the knurling, the shape, the design, the weight. And it shaves as beautiful as it looks. Just an all-round, the feel in the hand, the face, everything. Absolutely wonderful. I honestly, truthfully believe if I could only ever have one non-adjustable razor for the rest of my life, that would be it, guys. It's absolutely wonderful. Now the blade we're going to be putting in here is these Flying Eagle. See that? Flying Eagle here from China. Now, I've used these blades once before, and from memory they ripped my face to shreds. I haven't brought a parachute blade in with. You can hear bits and bobs knocking about. I think the builders are still about. But here we go. There you go. Flying Eagle. Let's take it out. It's double wrapped. I think it was really bad. I mean really, really bad. Abandon the shave bad from memory. But they're not a bad looking blade. There you go. You see them? Flying Eagle. There you go. So we'll get that in here and then we'll start this shave and we'll chat some waffle. Look at this, look. Blackland. You know, I absolutely love. If you can see on the markings on the base plate there, see the engineering tool marks. I like that. I like that rough, cold, hard, industrial steel look, you know, like, oh yes, something very visceral, is that the word I'm looking for? Yeah, no overhang, guys. Look, just feast your eyes again before I use it, look. It's absolutely stunning, this razor. And we'll put that in there. And then we'll wet the face and we'll whip up a lather and ball lathering today. I don't normally like ball lathering, but that cream is so soft. I have to. So here we go. You'll see it as I see it. None of this lathering for 45 minutes off cam. You get right now. That's not aimed at anybody. That was just a little joke, right? Okay, here we go. So I get all these people comment, oh, who was that aimed at? Who are you talking about now? I'm not talking about anybody. And look at this, wow. The scent strength on this, guys, I would put right slap bang at about a 5. And it actually, to me, it increases a little. So how long we've been lathering now? Look at that. Shall we go a little bit more? Yeah, go on, it can take it. Wow, this is good stuff. This is top quality stuff. It's a little more expensive than your average shaving cream if you want to go and get some. But keep this in mind, guys. It's a 7.5 ounce pot, that. So there's it's nearly double what you would get in some that are charging 18, 19 pounds. It's nearly double. And look at this. I think we're good to go, aren't we? How lean and look. Look at that. Yeah. Very, very slick. Very, very creamy. Very buttery. Look at this. The gift. The gift that just keeps on giving. Thank you, Stuart. Wow. I can't really see great because, once again, I haven't put my mirror up because they were working in here today. We'll put that there instead. This is what I'm up against. You see this? So Stan and Ollie came today to fit the flooring, which is what, 2 mil thick. Listen to this, guys. I've ended up, I just laugh now. We've come to fit your flooring. We're going to have to take the door off. The wife said, you take the door off to fit flooring? Yeah, we're just going to have to take the door off. We'll make it easier for us. We'll take the door off. Took the door off. Lost the hinges. Can't put it back on. That's why it's there. What? They've lost the hinges. He said I'll have to try and coddle something up overnight at home and see what I can do in the morning when I come back in. Here we go. Oh yeah, wow. Whoa. Oh. No. Oh man, no. Wow, no, I'm gonna have to get a different blade. Hang on a minute, guys. And I'm back. Here we go, guys. What we're going to put in it is we're going to put in it some arcade blades. These are some good blades, these guys. Let's get them out. I used them all up and I don't actually remember buying this pack back. So, but I do remember the Flying Eagle blades being like absolute. I mean, it's not even, they're not even, I wouldn't class them as razor blades, those guys. Here you go. Let's get a nice picture for arcade blades. They'll put me on their Insta and their Facebook every time I do that. Cheers, guys. Love your razor blades. If you need a UK ambassador, johnshaves101@gmail.com. There you go. So we get that arcade blade in there. I'm going to go over it again. So what I may do, those blades are that disappointing. Oh yes. Now that's what you call a razor blade. I might superimpose the arcade blade because I've already done the thumbnail with that blade on it. But I'm not giving them any airtime. I may superimpose an arcade blade over the top of it. So how has everybody been doing? Thank you once again for all the nice comments and the love shown for the last video. The kitchen, I think you just got to put the bottoms across the units now and then the kitchen's done. We have to decorate. But they fitted all the flooring today. They came, guys, fitted the flooring. Like I said, tomorrow they've got to seal all round the bath, and then we can use a shower. Look at this. Castle Forbes, it's good stuff. Another subscriber sent me the green one. Oh, that's some seriously good stuff. I need to use that actually. Get it out in the shave and use it. This is high quality stuff. This is just absolutely superb. Look at this, guys. Thick, rich, creamy. I bowl lathered it. Well, I put it in the bowl before I started the video and washed my hands. And the slickness. I'm all tongue-tied. That's because I know Stan and Ollie are still about. They told me they're finished here, but they're still about. And I wouldn't put it past them to knock on. Come to try and fix your door. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Anyway, how are you doing? How's your week going? No news from the doctors. It must be me. I must have a hex on me or something. The doctor said we'll phone you Friday morning with the results. Just only Friday morning. The doctor says to me, "Hello, what can I do for you?" I said, "You're supposed to be phoning me with the results." All right. Well, anyway, so I phoned back Friday afternoon. I may have told you this. It'll be Monday now. Phoned up Monday morning, they're not here yet. Phoned up Monday afternoon, that'll be Tuesday. Phoned up this morning, leave it till Wednesday. It's like, guys, I don't need this hanging over me. Look at this, I could have shaved twice over. Could have shaved twice over with what's here. And look at this. Look at that. There's still tons of it left. Yeah, this Blackland. Blackland dart is absolutely exceptional. An absolute exceptional shade. Here we go. Money pass now, isn't it? Against the grain. I'm still at 6s and 7s with everything. I'm much better, but we're not, as you can see, we're not fully settled. He fitted that shower yesterday and he said we'll be back to fit the sealant around your shower or around your bath after the floors have been. So it'll be tomorrow now. So he said you can't use your shower because it all needs to be dry. So I was like, yeah, okay, yeah, of course I won't. Got masking tape and refuse sacks and stuck masking tape all around the bath and jumped in the shower. The floor was soaking wet. Needs must, guys. I think until it's all done, I'm just not going to be settled. I'm just not going to be myself. Put the videos out. I'll try and... I'm a positive, upbeat person anyway, you know that. But it just, you know, when you just can't concentrate. I am. What, Lather Mittens? How are you doing, Kim? I am me. A true 100%. Yeah. Usual suspects. The rest, look, nothing. Absolutely nothing. I am 100% a creature of habit and a homebody. I like my home, I like my chair, I like my family. Just the home comforts, that's us, and the same old routine. And that's me. That's me, I'm happy. You know, so when something comes along and knocks all that out of kilter, It has a profound effect on you, doesn't it? But like I said, we're getting there. We've got the baths in, the showers in, we've got the new toilet. They fixed it, they took the old one away today, they put us a new toilet in. It's wonderful. And then that happened with the door. But it's nearly done. And then I'm off next week, so I'm going to have to have left it in such a state. I'm going to have to do some decorating. But there you go. That's us. I'm sorry for waffling on, but it's a good time for me to vent. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I'm on a selfie stick about 6 inches away from my face. There you go. That's good, isn't it? Gummies. Lavender Balm. I'll leave a link. Lavender aftershave. I'll leave a link to this, guys. I think a few wet shavers like Paul H and Mark from GM Vlogs, I think he got some. It's good stuff. It smells fantastic. Oh, yes. Very, very strong. If you're in the UK, it's about £7, I think. Oh, it's fun. Lavender, but with a lovely hint of licorice in it, I pick up the licorice. So Paul or GM Vlogs, if you've used this, if you've bought this one, I think you're the guys that did. Let me know whether or not you get that hint of licorice. Here we go. The accompanying balm. Woof. There you go. You don't need much. Let's get that on now. And that is us. Oh yeah. That complements each other wonderful. Get all that product up your arms. It's all good stuff, isn't it? Don't waste any of it. That. So a shave, look. We did okay, didn't we, guys? Hey? Not a hair. Not a hair. Absolutely wonderful. The new sink's plumbed in now. There's just a few little snagging jobs are coming doing tomorrow and the day after, and then they're gone. And that's us, everything falling back together again. And when they've gone, and I've painted the bathroom, look at this. I'm not going to be able to put the shelf of love up because they've taken the tiles down, and that's just bare plaster, and I'm going to paint on it. It won't adhere. I don't think it will adhere to the paint, so the shelf of love may have disappeared, but there you go. It is what it is. And when I get it all done next week, we're going to have a special shave lined up. Thanks for sticking with me, guys. Thanks for all the love and the support. Look after yourselves. And remember, the world needs more love. You can be the one to show it. Look after yourselves, and I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. Take care, guys. Bye.